Get your back on. Get your back on.
Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna have a look at how good the stabilization features are on the iPhone 11 Pro versus the GoPro Hero 8 Black that I've got. So be a comparison video and I hope you enjoy it. I started here on the iPhone 11 Pro, recording 4K at 60 frames per second. You can't tell from the footage here, but this is a very bumpy road in rural Sardinia.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is on the GoPro now. It's on 4K 60 and it's on the standard HyperSmooth, not boosted HyperSmooth. So basically, just as it comes, 4K 60 frames per second. See how it goes.
Get your back on. Get your back
Quite bumpy.
Get your back on. Get your back on.
This is a follow-up from my first impressions video on the GoPro Hero 8. I also tried to make this a little bit more realistic and try to compare situations where most people would find themselves in, rather than hooking these devices up to rigs, tripods, etc. As the lockdown rules were relaxed a little bit in the UK, we went to lovely Sardinia in Italy just for a bit of an activity-based holiday. We loved it there last year, so we thought we'd go back this year. Whilst on the bike or running or going for a hike, I took both the GoPro Hero 8 as well as the iPhone just to see how they compared in those normal situations that people would find themselves in, and see how they compared. I did a few comparison shots in different situations. I had a lot of fun recording this and I hope you enjoy watching it as well. But I'll also be doing a couple of other videos on the GoPro because, well, this guy can do quite a bit, right? It's an amazing device, able to take pictures, do nighttime videos. So I have my work cut out to cover all these features in one video. So today we're just going to talk about the stabilization features of it. GoPro call it the HyperSmooth 2.0. They've had this feature in previous devices, it's nothing new, but they've improved it. The iPhone 11 Pro footage really impressed me. I was shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, and even without slowing it down, the footage looked like I had a gimbal. I was just amazed actually with the stabilization capabilities. It's just incredible, as you can see here. The GoPro Hero 8 I was less shocked with because I knew HyperSmooth was gonna do what HyperSmooth does. It was just gonna do its thing. Now, that doesn't mean the footage of the GoPro was of less quality. Not at all. Hang on guys, there's someone at the door. Yes, come in. Who are you? I'm your data guy. Oh yeah, sorry, I thought you were just a virtual service. Anyway, I'm trying to record a video here. What have you got for me? Well, I was just looking at your views on the analytics, and it seems that most people, 95% of the people, love your videos, but they're not really subscribing to your channel. So I think they might be missing out on some of the awesome content that you're about to release, that you've got lined up. Okay, thanks data guy, that's really useful. What do you suggest we do? Let's start by putting a call to action here on the screen, and then let them know about that thing we discussed. Oh yeah, the giveaway? Shall I talk about that now? Yeah, exactly that. Sure, we'll do. You can go now? Oh, okay. Right, I'll get back into my video. Bye. You've heard the data guy. If you're enjoying today's video, hit that like button, that subscribe button as well, so you don't miss out on the next videos. Don't forget the giveaway. Oh yes, how could I forget? when we hit 500 subscribers, hopefully soon, maybe before Christmas 2020, do you think we can do that?
Yeah, sure. Why not? That'd be great. Yeah, I'd love that.
I'll be giving away a GoPro Hero 7 kit worth £250. That's right. All you have to do is go to my website and follow the instructions there. The website is on the screen here. It's alexgtech.com. There's very clear instructions there, so yeah, good luck and hope you win that. As I was saying before my data guy rudely interrupted us, I was really shocked, as you can see in the footage, that the stabilization capability of the iPhone, without doing anything extra, without putting it on an extra gimbal or whatever, I was literally just holding it with my hand, it's just incredible. So when it came to stabilization and comparing these two devices, my summary is there's not much in it. I could add loads of comparison specs here that frankly would send you to sleep, but
data is important.
yeah, I know, data guy, just chill, will you? So I'm not going to do that, because for me the most important thing is how most people would use this thing. So it really comes down to the most important factor when you're doing any sports or any sort of action-based activity. Convenience, right? The iPhone is not the most convenient device to be carrying around when you're doing an extreme sport, right? You wouldn't be doing that on a surfboard or going in the water in any way, or kind of going down a bumpy road on a mountain bike, for example. If you fall, you might break the device, you crack the screen and all of that jazz. Yes, you could mount the iPhone, and yes, you could go handheld as I did, or mount it to your helmet, or mount it to the sport equipment that you've got. But at the end of the day, it's a bloody expensive device, isn't it? To be dropping and breaking it. So even if your footage is that awesome, the GoPro, it was made for that sort of activity. It was made, if you drop it, it will survive those drops. It will survive bumps. And frankly, if it does die, it's a third of the price of an iPhone. So now, if an iPhone or any smartphone for that matter is all you've got at the time, then yes, don't let that get in the way of recording your footage. Obviously, maybe do mount it using a mini tripod like the Manfrotto or one of those smartphone gimbals. That sort of thing. These are still great options, and do check my other video here on tripods. Shameless plug, I know, but yeah, check that out as well. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 8 Black, this wins it for me, for the very reason of convenience. When it comes to stabilization features, as I said, there's not much in it between the two, but if I was to choose one to do something that will definitely generate some camera shake, it will come down to convenience. With this new design that you've got this little clips here, it was just made, right? You can put it in your pocket. It's very easy. You don't need to put another enclosure in it like you used to do before. And to be honest, if you drop it, you'll probably be okay. I don't guarantee it, but if I was to choose a device to drop, I'd drop this guy 100% instead of the iPhone 11. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications as well, and I'll see you in the next one.